Are you a gamer? Are you a pilot even? Or do you have a large head? Even a small head? This headset might be for you. Today we're looking at the Roccat ELO 7.1 Air and X Stereo. We're going to unbox them and, just get our first impressions of it. So let's start with the 7.1 Air. This one is a headset that was sent to me by Roccat. All right, let's see. Right here we've got the warranty and quick start guide. So let's toss that to the side. No one even cares about that. This thing was sent to me by Roccat, and yeah, they said I could do an unboxing, but the review had to wait until October 1st. So I'm doing this a few days ahead of schedule, so pretty cool. Got the microphone here. It's just a bendy, pretty standard, nothing crazy. Just plugs right into the headset. I got my cell phone camera over here and the main camera here. That way I can get some side footage. So microphone. USB dongle, so you can just plug it into your PC and start playing away. You got a charging cable. So one quick thing about this, you cannot use the headset with this cable plugged in. It only works wirelessly with the dongle. So, and we got the headset itself. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I opened this up already, but taking a quick look at it, it's extremely black. It has like this metal design around the top, and then it has like this floating suspension pad thing. So basically, you don't have to adjust it at all when you put it on your head. It just slides right on. So instead of having to mess with the sides, you just plop it on your head, and it just rests right there. For some reason, it reminds me a lot of like helicopter pilots for some reason. I don't know, like Army helicopter pilots from movies. Like they slap it on and it just looks bulky like this, Let's plug in the microphone. So just plop it in like so. Put it on, and then you can adjust it, put it closer or further away from your mouth. Pretty standard design. I could see this rubber top pad right here sort of becoming a hot spot. I feel like it's pretty thin. Like, it might be a lot of weight to put on your head. And then this metal design, I don't think it would break too easily, but oh, that's nice. The ear cups spin out, so you can actually wear it around your shoulders like so. Pretty comfortable. And then put it on your head. So, if you're playing a game and someone wants to talk to you, have a side conversation, just take it off, and there you go, you can start talking. I think it looks a little goofy like this, but it's not bad. So yeah, that's the headset. There's actually RGB lighting on the sides. Let me see if I can turn it on. So you can see all the different controls here. So if we hold it, let's see, we'll turn on. Oh, there it is. So you got the different colors right here and here. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of RGB, but in this case, it doesn't really matter because, it's on my head. I'm not going to see it anywhere. And just like looking around the room, like I don't really see any of the lights out of my peripheral vision. So that's nice. It's not very distracting. But if you do like that RGB element, it could be a nice way to like soup up your setup a little bit and maybe tie it in with the rest of the RGB that you might have on your setup. So yeah, it looks like, I like that it's a sort of one size fits all design. Like you don't have to worry about adjusting stuff. And it fits pretty well on my head. I am a little concerned about a hot spot up here. Technically, this is only an unboxing. I'm not allowed to go into like a review or the details of what I actually think about it yet. I have a review coming out in a few days for this one and the other headset. So with that being said, let's put this aside and open up the other one. One more thing. This is like in the $100 range. They also gave me a second one, the X Stereo. That's a 7.1 Air, so that has 7.1 surround sound, by the way. So you'll have a bit more depth of field and a better sound stage when you're listening to stuff. But this is the X Stereo, so it's a bit different. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, got another warranty thing. Like I said, not very important. Basically the exact same microphone, very bendy. All right, this one's a little different. Instead of a USB-C cable, you have a auxiliary cable, but except this one's split so that you can have like input and output for your microphone and speakers on the headphones, on the headset. So obviously the sound quality is not going to be as good when you go through the USB dongle, so just keep that in mind. It is stereo, not 7.1 surround sound. But this one is 100 and this one's 50, so it's about half the price. So you have to keep that in mind when comparing the two. This headset is also not wireless, so you have this wired design here, so you got to plug that into your aux cable. But overall, it's like the exact same thing, pretty much. I mean, there's less controls here, obviously. There's just the master volume sound. You don't have the mic control that you have on this one. You also have the mute button, but you don't have to turn this one on and off, so there's no power button. Overall, it actually feels lighter. I think that's just because there's less hardware and tech on here. And for that reason, it's probably a bit more comfortable. Yeah, it's lighter, which is nice. This one is a bit heavier, so you might have a bit more of that hot spot on the top of your head. And that could be a little bit uncomfortable. It might get a little sweaty too. It has that same memory foam top, so it's really padded on the ears as well. One thing I noticed about the design of the headsets is, let's see if I can pick this up on the camera, but they have these pads here, and they look like they're supposed to stop it from banging, like that. It looks like this pad here is kind of an afterthought. I would like it if it was more integrated into the actual headset. I feel like they might have designed it and then realized that it makes a lot of noise or it clanks a lot, so they must have slapped it on there. But two of them here. This one is just wireless, 7.1 surround sound. This one is wired, and it is stereo. So keep that in mind. This one's a little bit lighter, a little bit heavier, but this one's definitely will produce better sound quality. Anyways, I have full reviews of both of these coming later in a few days or a week or so. So be on the lookout for that. This was just simply the unboxing so you could get a look at them and, you know, get sort of my first impressions of them. I hope you enjoyed the video and be on the lookout for those reviews. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more unboxings, and yeah, have a good one, guys.